This one is going to be very short. It's on the central limit theorem. And the central limit theorem is found in your textbook on page 316 in chapter 7.2. So you see three different distributions here, and we're talking about skewedness, how skewed it is. You can see the one at the top left is not skewed at all. It's perfectly symmetric. That would be the normal distribution. The one on the right at the top is skewed to the right, and the other one was skewed to the left. So if we have a population distribution like this, we'll see that the distribution of its sample mean is the same. They're both normally distributed, which is not a surprise. The surprise comes when you're looking at a distribution for a population where it's not normally distributed, such as this one here, which is skewed to the right. Its sampling sample means, when you find the distribution of them, is also a normal distribution. So the central limit theorem states that regardless of the shape of the population distribution you started with, the distribution of sample means will be approximately normal. Now, it becomes more normal as your sample size increases, and we use a rule of thumb of about 30 or larger. So if you have 25, you really cannot count on that happening. So the important terms are skewedness and central limit theorem.